My name's Marcello Martino from Marcello Martino Design, based in London, and I like to call myself creative director. Sunglasses especially is a great passion of mine. The tools that I use to get what's in my mind out into realisation is the AutoCAD design suite, and pretty much use all the elements of it from sketching to AutoCAD to realising correct proportions and sizes, using alias design to get those surfaces, make sure the highlights are right on the products, and then using something like Showcase to visualise it in an interactive way, or use a 3ds Max to take the visuals slightly further to photorealistic visuals. I mean, everyone looks at eyewear, and off the bat you think it's they're just glasses or sunglasses, a really simple product. So the challenge is, how do you make something that's so obvious and has such an obvious aesthetic different?
There is no lose, there is no fail. Just go. Seem like life go lighter speed. Slow it on down, baby, just to breathe.
Prophet is a music artist that's part of a new up-and-coming band called 7lions. The Prophet project was to design a bespoke set of sunglasses, really create a product that fitted what he aspires to and what he'd want to wear.
Me and Marcello had a conversation, actually made a mood board of some of my passions, like old school Cazals and like retro Carreras and old school Ray-Bans. And me and him really clicked on a lot of those aspects.
Prophet really quickly sent me images of stuff he liked. The thing that I really responded was he likes that bold look. What I sent him was, it was basically some idea sketches. They're just very doodle stuff, but it was quite a unique scenario that everything was being done at a fast pace, very much via email, and I needed him to get a snapshot of what my inspiration was, where it came from.
We started going back and forth, and then he actually hit me with a sketch of the very first rough. The sketch just had all the detail, had the logos, and just, I mean, the way it was laid out was like, I was like, that's winner, winner, chicken dinner.
When I design eyewear, it's all about the silhouette, and with AutoCAD it allows us to do 5, 10, 20 different silhouettes with minute detailed changes, but with precision. For me, AutoCAD is the only real product that you can do that in, really. Once that was done, we take the information from AutoCAD, we can project those lines onto surfaces really quickly. Again, getting a very quick silhouette in 3D that we can spin around, work out maybe the thickness of the material should be, slight differences in terms of maybe slight different curvature, how the highlights are going to look. Once that's done, then take that model into Showcase, and then pretty much just visualise, interact with it some more. Showcase really allows us to actually allow a client to interact with the product and see it from all different angles, which is great.
We've been going back and forth, and I saw images on AutoCAD, but to tangibly hold them and to be like, this is, was nothing and was created from two people who were inspired, by similar designs. There's nothing like creating something, and actually having something you can touch in your hands from an idea.
With the AutoCAD design suite, you've got all the tools there. You can pretty much design anything and just, allow the workflow to be as it is for whatever the product is, but have the right tools for the right job. So that's the main benefit for me, really.
We were born to run.
What do you think?